Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring prepositions. If you're learning English at AB1 level, you're in the right place. Prepositions are words that show relationships between nouns, pronouns, or phrases and other parts of a sentence. They often tell us about location, time, direction, or cause. Some common prepositions include in, on, at, by, with, about, and for. Let's look at some examples. If I say, the book is on the table, the preposition on shows the relationship between the book and the table, indicating location. In she arrived at 5 p.m., at tells us when she arrived, indicating time. In he's going to the store, to shows direction. And in I'm happy for you, for explains the cause of the emotion. Each preposition adds a specific detail to the sentence, making it clearer and more informative. In everyday conversations, prepositions are very common. Think about phrases like, I live in New York, we'll meet at the park, or she's good with kids. These little words might seem simple, but they play a big role in connecting ideas and making sentences sound complete and natural. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps more English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.